Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We've upgraded our IPC TiOC Duo series. Not only does it offer multiple illumination options and customizable alarm sounds, but it's also more environmentally adaptable and provides more AI graphics capabilities and powerful performance. Introducing the Dahua TiOC Duo Network Camera. We've already unboxed the full color duo camera before on this channel. If you haven't seen it, you can watch it by clicking the link in the description box. Compared to the full color duo camera, the TiOC Duo bullet camera is smaller and features an all-new design for increased mobility and versatility. The camera is equipped with 3 sets of hybrid lights. On the front of the camera are the red and blue hybrid lights, used as an active deterrent when the camera detects a target. On either side, under each lens, are a set of hybrid lights consisting of warm and infrared light. The built-in speaker and dual mic enable better sound quality and noise reduction, giving the two-way talk clearer sound. The device has 11 built-in alarm sounds that can be used for various audio alerts. When paired with red and blue warning lights, the camera can effectively deter intruders. This camera has a plethora of customizable features and remarkable enhancements. Let's take a closer look at some of these highlights. As with traditional TiOC cameras, the Smart Dual Light is customizable. It has 3 modes: Smart Illumination, IR, and Warm Light. It allows users to switch between different modes and flexibly adapt to various scenes. In addition, the camera also supports the one-tap disarming function with an alarm import as well as DMSS applications. The TiOC Duo camera is equipped with dual 1.8mm fixed focal lenses. Our advanced image fusion technology creates a seamlessly spliced 180-degree image. Also, the image is 20:9 compared to the 32:9 panoramic picture of the traditional 4K model. The TiOC Duo also has a larger vertical field of view, covering more areas and better fitting the standard 16:9 screen with smaller black edges. Additionally, the camera supports the EPTZ function. It can zoom in and track up to 5 targets, filtering out over 95% of false alarms. The eyeball model offers a 3-axis adjustment, making it ideal for inclined or corner scenarios. Its powerful adjustability makes the camera suitable for various scenarios, saving installation costs. Finally, some significant features of this camera are its AI functions and its EPTZ-supported 5-target zoom-in and tracking. Also, it supports SMD 4.0 and perimeter protection, which enables the camera to focus on humans and vehicles for a more accurate alarm. These features make this product ideal for multiple application scenarios, such as restricted areas and villas. For more information about our products, you can visit the links below or contact your local Dahua retailer. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.